The sky, it roars like a beast in pain. Steel meets steel with the fiery spark. We march through the storm to light the dark.
Oh, hear the thunder's call. It shakes the earth, it claims us all. Through fire and frost we stand tall. Oh, hear the thunder's call.
Rivers of flame carve paths in stone. We fight as one but bleed alone. Axes rise to the crimson